Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Subhanshu Verma, Information Security Analyst at Ducara Info Solutions Private Limited. And today we are talking about WPScan. So in this lab we would cover what is WPScan and how to use the tool. So it's a black box vulnerability scanner for WordPress written in PHP, mainly focused on different types of vulnerabilities in WordPress, WordPress themes and plugins. So let's open the tool. In the web application analysis, so that there you can see many options or help provided by this tool. Also you can get this help by typing the command wpscan -help. So that there you can see the help. So now I am finding the username and password of admin panel of a website using this tool. So I'm telling you, before doing this you have to take written permission of the owner of the website. So type the command wpscan -URL and type the name of the site. And hit enter. Now the process is started on the website. So it's taking some time. So at there you can see the information is there. The plugins, the versions of the website that it was using. Also we have the server, that is Apache, and also much information about the website. So it will show you the versions, vulnerabilities, and the version in which the vulnerability is fixed. So at there you can see the version is out of date. One vulnerability and identified. So now we get the information about the website. To find the username, type the command -e space u. U is for username and hit enter. So it's working and enumerating the users. So now it's brute forcing the author's ID. So at there you can see the user is identified. The user is admin and detected by the author posts, author pattern, passive detection, which they was using. So now we have the username, and to find the password using this username, type the command -passwords. At there you can give the password list. I have the lower this, and now give the path of the word list. So I have this on desktop. After that, hyphen hyphen username admin, then hit enter. So it is enumerating the config backups to do a password attack. So at there you can see it is performing the password attacks, the WP login against the user which was admin. Now it was using the word list to find the password of the username. So it's take time to find the password. So at there you can see it takes words from the word list again and again and trying to get the password. So it's take a lot of time. Now I'm stopping this. So this is how you can find vulnerabilities or can find the username and password by using the word list using WPScan. So that's all about. Thank you.